Hey awesome ones, Heather here. So do you remember this blue jacket that I bought at the mall? I did the video for it about a week ago. Well, I have 4 different outfits to make a total of 5 outfits that I really want to show you, and a lot of the mixing and matching, it just came from my closet. So do you want to see what I put together? It all starts in just a few seconds. Now, if you didn't see the aforementioned, my little trek at the mall, I'll put the link up there for you so you can take a look at it. And I never know what I'm going to find when I'm looking around at the mall. I do know for this spring and summer, they were showing still the pastel colors, which is great because for my coloring, I really like the pastel colors. But they were also showing a lot of orange and a lot of yellow, that sort of thing. I don't know about you, but I just haven't been able to carry off an orange or a yellow. I also saw a lot of bell bottoms being featured, and they were both in the long versions and also this kind of funky short ankle length, which I'm not too sure about that one. Also, as you can see with my top and my jacket, it's a monochromatic look. There's a lot of that going on for spring and summer, but you're also in many cases supposed to wear the matching pants. I think if you're a size 0, that might work, or if you're going with an all black kind of look, but certainly for the pastel colors and the brighter colors, didn't work for me. I kind of felt like I was in a pair of pajamas. So let's take a look at the first outfit that I put together with the matching top and the matching jacket. And you can see over here that it's kind of got a retro 80s look. Those sleeves are actually sewn in that way. And there's a little bit of padding, like talk about 80s, in the shoulders. It's not much though, so you're not looking like a football player. It's very nice. It's very flowing with this top underneath. And also, I just want to point out the rose gold purse that I bought. Absolutely love it. It has 2 different, has a chain sort of strap and also the same material strap. And I can fit my little purse inside of this purse, and I absolutely love doing that. Saves a lot of time. So for the rest of the wardrobe, I thought I would just shop my closet, and I did have a pair of navy stretch pants. They're about a little longer than ankle length. I absolutely love them. What I like about this more than the powder blue type of look is the fact that these pants actually give me a slimming look. So I was quite happy with that. I also paired it because I want a summer spring feel with some seashell earrings, or sorry, not earrings, seashell bracelet, and also necklaces. And if you've been down to the Caribbean, you probably have a few of those in your drawer already. And then I didn't want to drag the whole look down with a pair of black pumps or anything like that. So I found a pair of pumps that I had in the closet. They're kind of like a pinky color, but I thought they went really, really well with the rose gold purse, and that kind of finished off the look for me, and I was really, really happy with this look. So the next 4 outfits, I really had fun with this. I just went through my closet and through this and through that, found all these different outfits, just working around the one jacket, not the jacket in the top, just the one jacket. And sometimes all you need to do is go shopping for one statement piece, and you can work the whole wardrobe around that. And I think that's the whole point of this video. So let's take a look at my second outfit. Oh, those bell bottoms. And no, I didn't get these from the 70s. Actually, not too many seasons ago, bell bottoms were in style, and I had this really nice dark pair of stretchy jeans. And so, yeah, but you know what? They're so long that I had to pair them with a higher heel. And I also paired them with a loose fitting V-neck top. Now, if you saw my video on slimming and trying to look slimmer, I'm definitely going to put that link up there. You know, that was a very popular video, and I think it helped a lot of people. But you can't have these longer bell bottoms dragging on the ground, and you can't have too tight of a top, or it really, really makes you look heavier. Now, a lot of you were saying, hey, whatever happened to those blue tassel earrings? Well, here they are. They didn't really go well with the seashell kind of thing, but they really, really go well with this kind of denim look, and they're very, very lightweight because they're kind of made out of string. I also paired this with one of those fold-up bags. I thought this looked kind of funky with the whole look, and so I just again put my purse inside the bag. And to finish the entire look off, I got a pair of blue sunglasses. So for my next look, let's do a complete 180 from a casual look. And here I have kind of a work business look with a twist, because although we have the nice jacket and we have a beautiful statement necklace, we also have some bracelets on with that. Underneath this jacket is va-va-va-voom, the little black dress, and that is fantastic if I'm going out maybe on a date night or to a party. I've also paired it with a pair of sparkly, beautiful sandals, and take a look at those toenails. I decided this year I'm probably going to go for, since the jacket is blue, maybe a nice kind of iridescent blue nail polish. Hey, we don't have to always go just for reds, you know, and I thought this looked kind of nice. Also, I have paired this with my New York, I'm in a New York state of mind purse, and it can go over the shoulder quite nicely for when I'm working, but in the evening it also doubles as a clutch purse. So you know, we've got two different looks in one here, and I think it's kind of cool. So my fourth look is super casual, and here I am wearing one of my favorite t-shirts that I love. Hey, if you've got a favorite t-shirt, dig it up. It might even be from a band or a concert that you went to. And I've got it underneath this blue jacket, of course. I've also paired it with a pair of stretchy boyfriend jeans that are rolled up a little bit. Hey, boyfriend jeans aren't out of style. We can still wear them. So I've got those. They're super, super comfortable. And a pair of sneakers. Now, this outfit definitely, that'll take me on a wonderful spring day or a summer day. And let's just say that it is a summer day. Maybe when it gets around noon, I want to put this jacket into the car. But for sure, in the evening, it starts to get cold. So back to the car I'll go, and I'll dig it out, and I'll be perfect for the evening on a beautiful summer festival night or whatever I'm going to. And of course, my favorite little purple purse that I get so much. Have you guys seen that video where I get a bunch of stuff into this little purple purse? Well, I'm going to put that video up there as well for you to take a look at. But I'd definitely be able to wear this all day and be super comfortable and casual. So for my fifth outfit, I thought I'd go just a little bit sexy on this one with a beautiful, it's kind of a blouse shirt, almost in a chiffon material. And hey, you know what? I'm in my 60s now, and I decided when I turned 60, I wasn't going to call it 60. I was going to call it sexy. And you know what? I'm not saying, hey, let it all hang out or anything like that. I'm just saying, you know, a little bit lower in the top. It's okay, we can do that. So that's what I'm doing here. And I've put it over a pair of white capris. Again, stretchy white capris. I think they're absolutely beautiful with this look. And also, I do have a cami underneath, so if the top gets a little bit lower, we're cool, we're covered there. And I also paired it with a lovely pair, they're almost like a tie-dyed blue and white pump with this. And I also think that that New York State of Mind purse also really completed this look. So very happy with that. And talk about finding things. Look who I found. Our little Hurricane. Hi, Hurricane. How are you doing? Yeah, and usually Hurricane now, he's my cue to talk to you about what's coming up in upcoming videos. And on Tuesday, we've got the second part of the home show, and we're going to get into some big ticket items, some technology. I mean, it's just amazing what's out there right now. So remember to tune in for that for your bucket list or your wish list. And hey, if you're not a subscriber, there's a button down there. Just click on the button, and don't forget to click on the bell, because then you'll be notified when these videos are coming out. But what's for next Friday? Well, next Friday is the Olay CoverGirl Simply Ageless Makeup. Is it simply ageless? And also, I'm going to have kind of a special treat for you guys on that one. First of all, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, but also I found an old commercial of mine from 1984 that I did do for Oil of Olay, so I'm going to tell you all about that, and so you can go down memory lane with me a little bit with that one. And what else do we have, Hurricane? Well, I also wanted to tell you, if you don't know already, that I'm on Instagram every single day, and I really, just check out at Awesome Over 50. I really try to make them a little inspirational. So if you want to have a little inspiration every day, don't forget to follow me on that. And I guess we're getting about done right now. But hey, you know what? Spring is here, summer's coming, warmer weather. Maybe just take a hike out to the mall or to the maybe one of your favorite boutiques, or maybe even a thrift shop, and get yourself some kind of a statement item. Go and have some fun with your wardrobe. Do a little bit of mixing and matching, and in the meantime, put a little spring in your step and keep it awesome.